Want to know how to manage addresses or add a new address in wish.com? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your wish.com application. And once you've opened up your website or your application, on the top right side, you should be seeing your profile right here. So the process is the same even if you're on your website. So just simply select view profile right here. And now once you select view profile, here you should be seeing edit profile. Just simply select it. And now once you selected edit profile, here you should be seeing various settings like notifications, account settings, and much more. Just simply select manage address, that should be on the bottom. Now, if you have any addresses, it should show an address right here. But if you don't, just simply select add a new address right here. Now, your first name and last name should be given up. And just simply type in your address line 1, address line 2, which is optional, your country region, your state or province, city, and with phone number. And once that is done, just simply select add, and it should be good. So I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.